Well, that was fun. What's up, everyone? Before we start, though, no, I don't care what you think about this title, what you think about this topic right here, but I want you to make your conclusions after you watch the entire video. So please do not conclude anything. Have an open mind while watching this video and make your conclusion at the end. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how music is ruining your life. See, most people in this generation listen to music everywhere. We listen to music everywhere. We listen to it in our homes, work, school, after school, before waking up, after waking up, in the shower, wherever possible, while studying, while focusing, all of it. We do it everywhere. And many people would tell themselves that without music I won't have a life. And a few people have in their Insta bio something along the lines of music is life and other similar statements, which really makes me sad to see that, because they really don't know what they're doing to their minds and to themselves. Firstly though, do I myself listen to music? No, I do not. I quit. I've been trying to quit for 1 month, and there have been few days where I slipped up because, like an idiot, I still had Spotify on my phone. But then I removed it, and it's been around 6, 7, 8 days since I've quit. The only music I listen to is the music I'm forced to listen while making these videos. See, the background music you listen to, that's the only music I do listen to. Anyways, let's now move on to persuading you why you need to consider quitting music. So is music really harmful? I'll cut straight to the point. Yes is the answer. Music is an emotional thing, because while listening to music, you'll feel angry, you'll feel sad, you'll feel super confident, you'll feel super energetic, you'll feel motivated. See, a normal human being would have to do something in order to get emotion. See, how emotion works with humans is you'll have to achieve something, do something in order to get the emotion. So let me give you an example. You will have to achieve something hard, a goal for weeks, months, days, in order to feel confident. You'll have to, you may feel happy while listening to music. So you may have to help someone, help a person in need, help any person do something, and then you'll feel happy in real life. A normal person will have to do that. And same goes with anger and sadness. So we feel all these things when we actually accomplish something. It makes us human. What makes us human are these emotions. And two things happen when emotions come into a human mind without actually doing the work. One, you stop working. Okay, अगर मुझे ये emotions की ज़रूरत ही क्या है, अगर I can listen to music and then I can get what I want. Why do I need to work hard when this music can pump me up, make me feel I've achieved something, and I'm getting all these emotions in? Why do I need to do that? You stop working because you have an easy fix. Watching listening to music, watching movies, they inspire you. They make you feel that you've done something, even if you haven't. That's another thing. But it is harmful. You start working less. The second thing that happens to you when emotions are felt, you become numb to emotions. You value emotions less, and in turn, we become less human. Humans are emotional creatures. If you're taking away emotions from them, you become less human. And if you value emotions less, and if you are less likely to act on your emotions, if you're becoming numb to emotions, what will happen? You'll become less human. And the cycle continues, and until you're down here where nothing matters to you anymore. You just listen to music all day. So if you still need some convincing on this, I want you to do a 7-day experiment where you try to quit music for 7 days. Some of you may have an alarm as your favorite song in the morning. No, none of that. And after the 7 days, I want you to come back to this video and leave your experiences down in the comment section. Or you could even on each day, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, leave me your experiences on my Instagram at Shrebakhai. Or you could comment them, come back to this video, comment them for others to see as testimonials of what actually happened when you tried to quit. Some people say, I really have fun while listening to music, but I don't want to try to do this experiment, or I don't want to quit. That is exactly what an addict will say. That is exactly what a drug addict will say when he's trying to quit drugs. But it feels good, so I don't want to quit. Just trust me, do this 7 days. I won't say the conclusions. I know what's gonna happen, but I don't want to let you know that. I want you to try it yourself and tell me what exactly happened. Then you might have another question. Okay, well, Shrey, music helps me to relax and get away from my problem for a bit. Okay, I'll tell you what's wrong with that statement right here. You are getting away from your problems. You are not fixing it. You are not attacking it. You are not facing it. You are getting away from it. Is your problem gonna get solved by listening to music? Simple answer, no. While you're listening to music, you could be thinking of different ways to solve your problem. That's how you solve your problems. Your problem's always gonna be there until you keep listening to your music. Once you stop, once you come out of that space, once you get your emotions from a real place, once you become more human, will your problems go away. And another thing, it helps me relax. No, it doesn't help you relax. Our brains are thinking about stuff 24/7. I don't know about sleep, but they're definitely awake for most of the day. While you're listening to music, there's lyrics, there's the beat. The lyrics, firstly, your mind, while you're listening to music, your mind's constantly trying to decode the message, decode the lyrics. The beat, your mind's constantly listening to the beat. It's processing stuff. Your brain is constantly processing stuff the same way it processes stuff while studying. So your brain isn't relaxing, you aren't relaxing. I guarantee you cannot focus on a task after listening to music. Can you? I thought so. The way to relax, I'll tell you, is to meditate. While meditating, you're not thinking about anything. At least you try to think about anything. Just one thing or nothing. That is relaxation. I don't want you to tell me that you relax by listening to music, because that is not true. You do not relax. Even if you thought so, it's not true. Okay, so again, before I end this video, do this experiment. Promise me, just try it. Whatever it is, just try it and give your full effort doing this. No music. What will happen is you'll have to actually find ways to get your emotion from somewhere. You'll actually have to get something done to feel that pride, or to feel that motivation, feel that energy, feel that anger, feel that sadness, whatever, feel that happiness, whatever it is, you'll have to actually work for it. And one more thing, I didn't want to add this in the beginning, but I want to now. During this experiment of 7 days, if you struggle to quit, let's say you fail, that's a clear sign of addiction, my friend. Addiction is defined as unrelenting desire to get something done. In this case, music. If you're struggling with music, with quitting music, there's a problem, my friend. Even if you fail, that's okay. That is proof that you're addicted. You can move on from there. If you go by the 7 days, great. You're doing a great job. But otherwise, you're addicted. But still, I want you to share your story. Please, if you're trying this, comment on the video. Either if you fail, comment. If you succeed, comment. Whatever you're feeling throughout the 7 days, please comment, or let me know in my private Instagram DMs. So I would like to see that, of course. And I see you in the next one.